the video on. So Michael, you see the camera just right here? So Michael, I'll let you say your first name and your last name.
Michael Gonzalez.
So Michael, nice to meet you. My name is Frank.
Hi, Frank.
Welcome on board. We are with the beautiful McLaren 570S. We are going on track for 5 laps, is that correct?
Yes.
Cool. And it's your first time. So before to go on track, just a quick reminder about safety. First, my goal is to make sure you have a great experience.
Alright.
As soon as you are doing everything properly and it's safe, I will be the first one to encourage you to go faster.
Okay.
To go fast on track, actually, it's pretty easy. The goal is to use the maximum of the layout.
Yes.
To help you for that, we set up some cones. So use every single cone as a great marker. Double range cone as the braking
Brake.
zone. It's where you have to brake. With this beast, we have 570 horsepower. You have to put a lot of pressure on the brakes at the very beginning. You want to slow down the car. Okay?
Alright.
After, you will see 3 green cones. Every single green cones, try to be the closest as you can. Clip them. Okay? Turn in, apex, exit cone. So brake all the way to the turn in. At the turn in. Like I said, closest, about a feet and a half maximum. Turn in, go to clip the apex. At the apex, before to start to squeeze the throttle, start to unwind.
So turn wide and then squeeze the throttle.
Correct. This is the proper order to do it. If you are squeezing the throttle too soon, before to unwind, you lose the grip and the car will go straight. So it will be not as fast as what you can do. Unwind,
Release.
yes, exactly. And when I'm saying release, it's not putting straight, it's smoothly, very smooth. Smoothly
smooth.
smooth. Exactly.
Alright.
And with your eyes, look already to the exit cone and let the car roll all the way to the exit cone. Like I said, the goal is to use the maximum of the layout. For safety reason, I'm handling all the mirror, so don't pay attention to them.
Alright.
Look.
Only pay forward.
Exactly. Look where you want to go. If there is a passing situation, I will let you know. In this case, I will ask you to keep your line, so if you are to the right, stay to the right. I will put my hand on the steering wheel just for safety, but you are keeping the control of the car, and I will ask you to slow down a little bit.
Okay.
Make sense? If we are chasing a car because we are faster, chase the car, just keep a reasonable distance. As soon as you see the flash out, I'm putting my hand, you are keeping the control, and I will point and I will tell you which side of the car you have to pass them. Does
Okay.
that make sense?
That makes sense.
Last thing, we'll use paddle shifting. Yeah.
I was thinking about automatic, but I can.
If you don't mind, yeah. At the beginning, let's try with the paddle shifting.
Alright.
And if it's too much, I will switch for the automatic mode.
Alright.
So your two hand, exactly 9-3. You are perfect. To the right to upshift, to the left to downshift.
Okay.
We have so much torque on this car. We don't have to upshift, downshift too many times. So if you don't mind at the beginning, let me tell you when to do it.
You got it.
If I'm saying nothing, don't touch them. Even if you think it's time to do it,
Don't do it.
exactly.
You got it.
Any question?
No.
Ready to roll?
Ready to roll. Let's do this.
Okay, so push the brakes.
Push brakes.
Yes, exactly. Release the brakes.
Alright.
You will squeeze the throttle, but you'll have to unwind. Yeah, we'll go straight. Squeeze the throttle smoothly. Exactly. And we'll turn to the right. You see the tiny purple cones?
Yes.
We'll do a quick stop just to check the brakes.
Very hard.
Yeah. Perfect. Exactly. And we'll stop in the middle of the blue cones as well.
Might do like turning like this.
Yeah, for yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's a parking.
Alright, brake.
Yeah, please. And we'll wait for the purple Porsche to pass us.
You got it. Want to wait for this guy park past us too?
Exactly. So actually we'll use the Porsche as a great example. You see it's coming.
Yeah.
You see the double orange cones. Braking.
Braking.
Going all the way to the green cone. And you see waiting for the green cone before to turning. This is the perfect example.
Alright.
Let's look for the Ferrari. Braking, going all the way. You see it's turning a little bit too soon, and you see the car is not. Don't hesitate, like I said, to be the closest as the first turning, and don't turn to before to have the cone by your mirror.
You got it.
Okay? And we'll go after the Audi.
Alright.
Braking. Okay, let's go. So here you can follow the red line, go straight. Like I said, keep going, wait to have it by the mirror, turning. You see, if you are too soon, squeeze the throttle, keep going, stay to the left, squeeze the throttle, more throttle, keep going, stay to the left, be patient, turning, go to clip the apex, squeeze the throttle, keep going, more gas, keep your eyes up, look at the end of the straight line, keep going, you are doing good job, Michael. Go straight, and the next one will be on your right inside, so you can go slowly to the right. Brake, stay to the right, downshift 1 time, squeeze the throttle smoothly, let the car roll all the way to the right, squeeze the throttle, more throttle, and stay to the right, and brake, and wait for the green cone, downshift 2 times, sorry, it's just right. Yeah, perfect, squeeze the throttle, let the car roll all the way to the right, so we'll stay to the right if you don't mind, and we'll pass the Porsche GT3. Back to the left, good job, squeeze the throttle, keep going, short brake, wait for the green cone, turn in, and clip the apex, go straight, go back to the left and follow the red line, go straight, you are doing perfect, keep going, here it's just a short brake, turn in, go to clip the apex, and squeeze the throttle, and we'll go straight for the 1 up, 1 down, you see the green cones, go straight for it,
got it,
and brake. Keep braking, wait for it. You can go a little bit straight and now put more angle with the steering wheel. Exactly. After the apex, you can start to unwind to use all the layout and squeeze the throttle. More throttle. Keep going. Upshift to the right. Exactly. And stay to the right. Brake. Keep braking. Wait for the green cone. Be patient. Downshift once. Turn in. Exactly. And you can put more angle. Go back to the left. Stay to the left. Be patient. Keep going, Michael. Keep going, more, squeeze more throttle, keep going, trust me, and look at the end of the straight line, squeeze the throttle, more throttle, keep going, upshift to the right, keep going, more, is it good?
It feels better now.
And brake, and stay to the right, be patient, wait for the green cone, turn in, squeeze the throttle, and let the car roll all the way to the right, and stay to the right, brake, keep braking, stay here, downshift once, turn in, and more angle at the beginning, now unwind to use all the light. Exactly, that was perfect. Upshift to the right, go back to the left. How do you feel?
Feels better right now.
Good job, Michael. Wait for the green cone, turn in, clip it, and same thing, don't hesitate, yes. Go straight, go back to the left, stay to the left, go straight. Here it's a short brake, turn in. And I will ask you to stay to the right and we'll let pass the Porsche. So slow down a little bit. Downshift once. Turn in, exactly. So a little bit straight, more angle with the steering wheel. Go to clip the apex, squeeze the throttle, keep going more, Michael. Let the car roll all the way to the right and follow the Porsche. Keep going more. Upshift to the right, go straight, and brake. Keep braking, wait for the green cone, be patient. Downshift once, turn in, exactly. Squeeze the throttle and stay to the left. Keep going. No, it's okay. Stay to the left, go back to the right, keep going more. More throttle, keep going, more gas. Trust me, more. Full throttle, go, Michael. Upshift. It's okay. And brake, keep braking. Wait for the green cone. Downshift once, turn in, squeeze the throttle smoothly and let the car roll all the way to the right. And stay to the right and wait for the green cone. Brake, keep braking. Wait for the green cone. Downshift once, turn in. More angle. Squeeze the throttle and unwind, let the car roll. Exactly, Michael, that is great. Upshift, go back to the left, keep going, more, trust me. And brake, stay, it's okay. Turn in, squeeze the throttle smoothly, go back to the left, stay to the left, upshift to the right, go straight, short brake, wait for it, turn it, keep your eyes up, and go straight for the green cones. And brake. Keep braking, downshift once. Go to clip the apex. After the apex, squeeze the throttle. Keep going, more. Unwind to use all the load and full throttle, full. Upshift to the right. And brake. Keep braking. Wait for the green cone. Downshift once. Good job, Michael. Squeeze the throttle, but stay to the left. Stay to the left. Squeeze the throttle smoothly. Go back to the right. Keep going, more. Keep your eyes up. Look forward. And upshift. And full throttle, keep going, more, upshift, and brake, keep braking, downshift once, turn in, squeeze the throttle smoothly and let the car roll. And stay to the right. And brake out, keep braking, downshift once, turn in. And Michael will stay to the right, okay? And we'll slow down a little bit. Just to pass the...
That's fun.
Hey, you are doing super. Keep going, go back to the left. Keep going, more. You are doing super good job. Short brake. Wait for it, turn it, clip it. Go straight. Go back to the left and we'll stay to the left to let the Porsche pass us. Okay, keep going. Perfect, keep going. Follow the Porsche, you can do it. You are doing super good job. Go straight for the green cone. And brake out. It's okay. Keep the apex, squeeze the throttle, keep going more. Unwind, let the car roll, full throttle, full. Upshift, stay to the right, and brake out. Keep braking, wait for the green cone. Downshift once, turn in, release the brake. Squeeze the throttle smoothly, but stay to the left. Keep going, more. Go back to the right, keep going, Michael. More. Trust me, more. Full throttle. Upshift, and go. Gas, more. Upshift, keep going, more, and brake. Keep braking. Downshift once, turn in, squeeze the throttle, and let the car roll. Exactly, Michael, and stay to the right. Brake, keep braking, downshift once, turn in, unwind, and squeeze the throttle. Keep going, more. And full throttle. Look, we are following the car. Upshift to the right, keep going, more, and brake. Keep braking, wait for the green cone. Turn in, clip it, go straight, go back to the left, squeeze the throttle, go straight, keep going, more. Short brake, wait for it, turn it, clip it, keep your eyes up, and go straight for the green cone. Keep going, more. And brake out, keep braking. Downshift once, turn it, go to clip the apex, after the apex, unwind and squeeze the throttle. Keep going, more. Unwind, use all the layout, and full throttle. Upshift, stay to the right, and wait for the green cone. Brake out, keep braking, wait for it, downshift once, turn in, release the brake, no angle, don't hesitate. Squeeze the throttle, stay to the left, go back to the right, keep going, more. Trust me, you are doing super good job. Full throttle, upshift, and full, go. Upshift, yes, and brake. Keep braking, wait for the green cone, downshift once, release the brake, squeeze the throttle smoothly, let the car roll all the way to the right, stay to the right, brake out, wait for the green cone, downshift once, turn in, no angle. It's okay, I'm pushing you, but you are doing super good job. Upshift, go back to the left, keep going, and brake out, keep braking. Squeeze the throttle, go straight, keep going, more. Go back to the left, keep going, go straight. Short brake, wait for it, turn it, clip it, keep your eyes up, look forward and go straight for the green cones. And brake, keep braking. Downshift once. It's okay. And we'll take the blue cones to the right. We'll go inside the...
Breathe again.
How was it?
That was fun.
Did you like it?
That was fun.
And I apologize, I was pushing you.
Oh, no. I needed that. Where do you want me to go?
So go straight, you see the red cone?
Yeah.
Go for it. And just before the red cone, we'll turn to the left inside the tent. And we'll go park the car at the same place as where we saw it, at the very top on your left.
Alright.
Straight. Keep going a little bit more, and you are perfect. So let me put in neutral. You can release the brakes and let me turn a little bit more. Perfect. Just for safety.
Thank you. That was fun.
You did super good job.
If I had like 5 more laps, I probably could have nailed that.
By the way, I give you one more.
Huh? Yeah.
You did 6, and I did that because we were, stuck behind some cars at one point, and I wanted to make sure you have a great experience. But hey, that was
awesome, dude.
You did a super good job. Thank you, sir. No, thank you.
What's your name again?
Frank.
Frank? Oh, I recommended that, man.
You know what was good with you?
Yeah.
First, you were listening, which is great, and that's why you improved so much. Did you see the difference between the first lap?
Yeah, it felt great.
And every single lap you are improving. First, you understood the importance to be patient, not to go too soon inside the turn. The second thing you did very well, especially turn 4, it's at the exit, start to unwind first, squeezing the throttle. Now it's just asking for you to do more practice, if you get the chance to come back, please, I will be more than happy to instruct with you.
Dude, again,
Good job.
That was awesome.
Let me give you back your USB, and thank you for that. I appreciate. And the next step will be inside the tent. Go to the pit lane. They will tell you what to do. Okay.
All right.